Good morning. Happy Friday, May 22nd. Let's wrap up this week in plain English, no jargon, just what matters to your family. This week, it started rough and ended up strong, if you will. Monday, bond yields spiked to their highest level in nearly 19 years. That means mortgages, car loans, credit cards all got more expensive. Markets dropped really hard. Tuesday and Wednesday, investors were nervous. Oil stayed high. Nobody knew what was coming next. Then Thursday reports surfaced that the US and Iran were close to a resolution. That sent stocks surging and pulled oil prices down. That was great. The Dow closed at an all-time high. The S&P and NASDAQ both gained. That's the market this week, down 3 days, up big on day 4. That's exactly why you can't panic and exactly why you always have a plan. This week's top 5 movers in plain English. Number 1, NVIDIA revenue up 85% in 1 year. That's a big giant with all this AI stuff going on. Number 2, Walmart. Earnings came in, but their guidance warned the American people that consumers are under pressure. When Walmart is cautious, pay attention. They know everyday family better than anyone else. Number 3, oil. It started this week at 110 per barrel. It dropped when Iran talks picked up. 4, Treasury bonds. The 30-year Treasury briefly hit 5.19%. It's the highest in 2 decades. That's how we know how much your money costs to borrow it. And number 5, Dow closed at an all-time high. That is your 5 biggest movers. Here's what this week taught us. Down Monday, down Tuesday, down Wednesday, a huge up on Thursday. And if you panicked on Wednesday and sold, you miss Thursday's recovery. That's how the market works. That's why emotion, when it comes to the market, is your biggest enemy. The families who don't lose sleep over weeks like this, they all have one thing in common. They build a plan before the storm hit, not during it, not after it. So you watch the market every week. That's smart. But watching and being protected are 2 different things. Your income is your family's most valuable asset, not your stocks, not your 401k. You are. If something happens to you tomorrow, does your family have a plan? That's what we do at Prosperion. We build plans that protect your family, whether the market goes up, down, sideways. So book your 15-minute call with Prosperion at Prosperion.com. No pressure, no pitch, just real conversation about where your family stands and where you really want to go. And remember, the market has its weeks. Make sure your family has its plans.